So when configuring our servlet config, specifically our bean configuration or our bean definitions, there's the notion of namespaces. Now, I'm not going to dive into them too much here, but just more or less point out what they are and what they're doing. So the top of a bean definition file may look like this, and at first glance it looks really complicated. I've got a lot of things going on here, and really all it says is I've got a set of namespaces that have some defined functionality with them. And this is an example of us using them. So I've defined these namespaces, and here I am using them. And specifically, let me show you an example here. I've got the MVC namespace defined. You can see by that little red circle there. And here's where I'm using it down below. And what this means is that I'm asking for specific functionality out of that MVC schema, and it's going to go through and replace this code with more complex definition. Spring did this in an effort to simplify their configuration files because it was always copy and paste boilerplate code. When anybody did annotation driven, they had the same exact annotation driven code. So to make it simpler, they just have you define a namespace, and then you can just drop this one tag in your code and you're done.